to change app language in CapCut in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Open CapCut. And then select My, tap settings icon, and then tap app language. Now you can select app language you want. You can select app language you want, for example bahasa Indonesia, for example, and then tap done. Okay, tap done to save. Now your language set as bahasa Indonesia, and then if you want to change, tap language again, and then select your language you want, and then tap done. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.